Have you ever wondered how we figured out firefighter suits were fire resistant? Did we just give firefighters a fancy denim and say, here, try this out? Or did we somehow accidentally discover that some materials are fire resistant through other trial and errors? I'm Elizabeth and this is Space for Humans. Space exploration has given us a lot of different technologies useful to us here on Earth, and they've allowed us to explore way beyond what our ancestors even knew existed. Humans have made it to the moon and back, but it took years of research and development to figure out how to get us back here safely. Spacecrafts have been coming in and out of our atmosphere for decades, and we've learned that upon re-entry, they like to burn up really fast at really hot temperatures. This poses an issue for anything we're trying to salvage from the spacecraft, say like a black box, or an astronaut. This prompted NASA to develop a line of polymer textiles used in suits and spacecrafts. The fabric was first ideated by Dr. Carl Marvel for the US Air Force in the 1950s when he synthesized
polybenzimidazole,
coined PBI for short. He found that PBIs have an extensive thermal and oxidative stability, making it really durable at really high temperatures. Picture looking at your bed sheets under a microscope and analyzing the thread count. Now think of those sheets as the PBI fabric. Each fiber you're looking at is so incredibly strong that if we had a Captain Marvel instead of a Dr. Marvel, this is probably what her spacesuit would be made out of. NASA found themselves in need of this kind of superhero technology after a tragic flash fire in the Gemini spacecrafts involving 3 astronauts during the Apollo missions. NASA used the fabric to create spacesuits and applied it to the space vehicles in a lot of different ways to make them more heat resistant. By the early 1980s, this material was introduced to the fire safety industry in the United States. And today, the heat and flame resistant fabric is used in many different ways, from safety gloves, airline seats, and astronaut gear to firefighting. Now, we have superhero level protection that you could even say is marvelous. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Space for Humans.